In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Loop Table Component. By the end, you'll know how to create a table in Microsoft Loop, structure it with the right column types, and make it easy for your team to update and sort. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Loop in your browser and head to the page where you want your table to live. Click into the page body, type a /, then type table and press enter. The slash opens Loop's command menu, and this is the fastest way to insert a fresh table without hunting through menus. Now let's make the table work for you by assigning the right data types to each column. Click a column header to open its menu, then choose Change Column Type. Picking an accurate type helps Loop format, sort, and visualize your data correctly. For example, select person if the column holds assignees so teammates can be tagged and recognized across your workspace. Choose date for deadlines or milestones so you can sort chronologically. Use number for quantities, costs, or estimates to keep calculations consistent. And pick label when you need clear status tracking with color-coded tags like not started, in progress, or done. A quick tip: rename your columns to be action-oriented so collaborators know exactly what belongs in each one. As you build out your table, hover near the edge of any row or column to reveal a plus icon. Click it to add rows or columns exactly where you need them. This makes it easy to insert a new task in the middle of a list or add a new attribute without rebuilding your layout. To keep things tidy, reorder items with the 6-dot drag handle. You'll find it next to each row and at the top of each column. Click and drag to move rows up or down or columns left or right until your information flows the way you want. When you're ready to analyze, click the small arrow in a column header to sort. You can sort alphabetically for text, numerically for numbers, or by date for timelines. Toggle the sort direction to switch between ascending and descending views. You can also enrich your table cells with interactive components. Click into a cell, type a slash, and insert items like a checklist or date right inside the table. These components remain fully functional so you can check off tasks or set dates without leaving the row. Finally, share and collaborate. Use Loop's sharing options to invite your team with the appropriate permissions. Everyone can co-edit in real time, assign owners in person columns, and keep statuses current, turning your table into a living source of truth.